Traditional factories demand large order quantities at a time, creating a huge burden for small startups. Do you also have a lot of creative ideas and want to make prototypes right away? If so, FORMART Smart Vacuum Former is exactly what you need. It's small, but it comes with industrial level performance. Everything becomes simple with it. Lay down the object, select eco-friendly plastic sheets, start with one touch of a button, and no complicated settings required. It's so easy to make brilliant creations. You can even form the packaging. It gets you ready to sell your products in no time. You know, it's okay if you don't know how to make 3D models. As long as you can knead and shape, FORMART can take care of the rest. The smart control system automatically detects the plastic and controls the temperature. It's great for education, art, or any creation. It's so fun with FORMART. If you already have a 3D printer, you will need FORMART even more. It helps you explore and expand your product creations. It's also great to make different product packaging or displays. It quickly materializes all kinds of prototyping. It's a smart, simple solution that brings your proposals to life and makes your meetings with clients even more effortless. FORMART has 3 default modes that allow you to immediately access its most powerful function. You can quickly switch between sheet sizes. It has the largest forming area in the market. It even helps you with releasing your molds. It's all so simple, you can't miss or fail. Whether you're a professional or casual user, you're free to create anytime, anywhere. And it's that simple. Not only do we wish to be there when you start your business, but we also wish to join your search for inspirations and make your life more colorful. FORMART helps you save cost and time so you can focus better on your business. FORMART, your best partner. Form your ideas, form your business.